step 15 on the addition pathway. My first collection to generate, I use these two spinners, dark green and light green, and I spun 42, 40 and 2. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 2. 1, 2. My second value, I spun these two spinners and I got a larger number, which I knew was going to happen because of the colours of the spinners. I spun 77. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, that's quite a large collection or value we're adding to 42 here. If it helps you, you could rephrase the question: 77, add 42. So put this group up the top and that group down the bottom. It really doesn't matter where you put them, so long as you understand that you're adding these two values. Now, I'd like to get 77 up to 80 to make it an easier question, but that's not going to happen. But adding 40 would be easier than adding 42. So I will use my compensation strategy and move this up here. So now we have 43, pardon me, 78, 79. And instead of we're adding 42, we're now adding 79 and 40. And now you can just count on by tens. Much easier that way. 89, 99, 109. So we need to regroup these as hundreds. And 119. But let's just regroup this group of 10 tens to make 100. Okay, and now we'll put it in the hundreds column. So now you can see that we have 100 and 10 and 9, which is 19. 42, add 77, 119. I turned the question around and made it 77, add 42. Then I used a compensation strategy and made it 79 plus 40, which made it a lot easier to count on by tens and keep it nice and simple. Now it's your turn.